Property owners in the city of Buffalo could soon see taxes. Acting Mayor Chris Scanlon shared plans at a joint budget hearing in Albany yesterday. News 4's Mitch Nowakowski has details of what this could mean for people in the Queen City.
In his discussion with Albany leaders, Acting Mayor Chris Scanlon laid out a number of ways he believes could help fill the gap when it comes to the city's $40 million budget shortfall. One of those proposals includes what he calls a reasonable increase on property taxes. Scanlon did not give exact figures or say when this increase would be implemented. But Finance Chair Mitch Nowakowski says after 15 years where property taxes were not raised, it has since caught up to the city, and that the amount of revenue coming in does not match expenses. He says the Common Council is expecting a budget with a raise in property tax, and it's now up to members to negotiate a final number.
I think that that's fair to say as council members, because I think that politicians oftentimes recoil and they don't want to talk about taxes. They don't want to talk about revenues. But the fact is that we're called upon to do municipal work and provide services like police, fire inspections, and investments in our infrastructure, and that ultimately costs money, and that money has to be derived from somewhere.
Another proposal Scanlon brought forward to the joint hearing, imposing a 3% occupancy tax, also known as a hotel or bed tax, paid for by travelers who come to the city of Buffalo. He says people who visit here utilize our infrastructure, amenities, police and fire services, and therefore the money raised by this tax can be reinvested to keep bringing people back here. Scanlon told lawmakers there are other ways he's taking action to raise revenue, including asking the city's departments to cut 10% of their budget, something he says could save the city upwards of $30 million. Reporting in downtown Buffalo, Mitch Nowakowski, News 4.